Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a sprinkle and donut, so let's get started. To draw this cute and silly drawing, let's first start by drawing our bottom of a sprinkle. So I'm going to come right here and draw the lid of our sprinkle. We're just going to come with a straight line, round off the top right here on the corner and come right across, round it off again and come down. So this is going to be our cap right here, and I'm going to come right underneath and draw another line. And so on this right here, we're going to extend this line out and round off our corners and come straight down. So let's see, about right. Bring it down a little bit more. Maybe about that much. We're going to start to round off the bottom corner and bring it in. So it's all up to you how tall you want your bottle sprinkle to be. Okay, so then from there, let's come right here and bring this bottle of sprinkle to life. So in the top area right here, I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. And another circle right here. And I'm going to try to make them draw secure eyes. It's kind of small, but I'll try. 2 small circles at an angle, curve line at the bottom, and shade in the top, and then lines at the bottom. It's the same thing here. If this doesn't work, I'll just shade it all in and make it one highlight. There. Something like that. And then in the center, just draw a little cute smile. And then the curve right on top of each eye. There. Okay, so then right about here, we're going to give him some hands. So bring out a little curve, and we're going to thicken the ends. And on this side as well, it's going to outstretch a little bit more because it's holding the donut's hand, and thicken the ends. And then let's give him some feet. So nice and centered, about right there. And thicken the ends. So then as for the sprinkles, I'm going to do that a little bit later when I'm coloring it because I don't want to muddle it up with the Sharpie. But it's just a bunch of different colors using your marker or your color pencil. Okay, so then from there, let's draw our donut. I'm going to just give myself a little bit of space, imagining the hand. So I'm just going to come about right here. I'm going to start to draw my donut. And I am totally freehanding this circle because I don't really care for it to be perfect circle. It's just a cute, silly drawing anyway. So I think it looks a lot cuter if it's a little bit wobbly. So I'm just going to make sure it ends about the same area as the bottle of sprinkle. And connect. So now let's come to the center right here. We're going to draw our center circle. So about right here. Just draw a little circle on the inside. And then let's go ahead and wobble across our glaze. All the way around. There. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and give her a little bow. And let's bring her to life. So at the bottom right here, I'm going to give her some very happy eyes. So it's just a curve. I'm going to thicken the curve, give her some lashes, and same thing over here. And lashes. This one's a little bit shorter. I'm going to extend it out a little bit. So then let's give her a little kissing mouth. So right here, kind of like drawing a 3. And then right on top of her eyes, a little curve. And so she's not going to have any sprinkles because this little guy here is the sprinkles to her donut, so we're going to leave that blank. And then let's draw her hands. So it's going to come right here. And wait, let's see here. Okay. So I'm going to have her hands go up to hold his. And about right here, the other side, and have her hands come out and thicken the ends. And then for her feet, let's come down here in the center. So it can't be too tall because a little bit low. I'm going to draw little feet coming in to make it a little bit cuter. And then let's see here. So then right here, we're going to have her have a speech bubble. And she's a big loop, big oval. And then I'm going to go in there and write, you're the sprinkles to my donut. So let's come right here. And my Sharpie doesn't work. Okay, here. You're and you're the sprinkles to my donut. Aww. There. So, and once again, for the sprinkles, I'm just going to go in there when I color it with a bunch of colors so I don't muddle up with the Sharpie. But that is pretty much it for this silly drawing, and hope it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.